Steps to keep employees safe in the workplace. At workplace, the safety of your team can be at risk due to act of terror by any perpetrators, natural disasters, and other unexpected events. Human loss and suffering is immeasurable. To help you lead safely at work, here are a few important thinking points. First point, come to terms with reality. Any risk can happen at your workplace. A perpetrator can be someone you know, or a complete stranger. Report immediately if any unsafe condition. Secondly, be aware, and teach awareness. Next, get expert advice. Find someone in your community who is a proven expert in workplace safety. What is safest and most effective isn't always intuitive, but an expert will know what works best. Next point, develop a plan. Make sure every employee understands what needs to happen should there be a crisis, whether by a violent person or a natural disaster. It isn't enough to have a plan others could implement. Every quarter or, at least every 6 months, alert your employees to a drill, and practice it, so people know what to do, and where to go in case of specific emergencies. And the final point. Find leaders within your team, make workplace security a team effort,